gave it back, y'all. I gave it back. It was fun though. That shit was fun there. How he gonna give me $20 just cause I just said, hey man, we didn't bet, hey, me and you bet 20, man. You owe. Yeah, come on with it. Dig deep, God. Nah, I ain't got no change. I ain't got no change. Dude, he paid up. He deserves a shirt.
Hey bro, my own job won't get me.
Yeah. Somebody said he paid fast too. I just used that on somebody. I said, hey man, me and you bet 20. And he went in his pocket and gave me 20.
I was trying to give you content. You just assaulted me.
Oh man, I done assaulted his. Oh shit, this old boy, man. He said he on my YouTube channel. Yeah, he said he on that thing, y'all. He on my channel.
You assaulted me, so I'm on pay.
Give him a shirt. Who was that I need to give a shirt out to? Why y'all want me to give a shirt? I gave him his money back. I should have kept his money and then gave him a shirt. Come on. Oh, I don't think he gonna go get him. Oh! That thing got a good scratch on it. That's about all it got though. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win.
I'll let you rent the island.
Okay, I'm on the island, y'all. We on the island. We on the island, boy. Let me see something. I don't know them right here. Look. I spotted a guy yesterday. Oh, you seen somebody using my script? Who was it? What they say when? Y'all seen Shorty against the fence? Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all on my YouTube channel?
The big block, small block.
Yeah, I think it's a small. Look out, miss, this is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. It's going down like James Brown on here, miss. Make sure you tell all your friends, everything, you hear me? Tell everybody. Delay through Theo and everything. Delay through Theo. Okay. She gonna delay her Theo and everything. 434 dispatch, we got a freaking Infinity G30. I think it's a 5, since it's missing all of that stuff on it.
What it say on the wheels? I don't know.
Texas 206R. Oh no, it's XT with the Kiki design. You done took them for somebody. Funky Town been at bingo lately, y'all. ¿Por qué llores amor? What's that mean, fool? ¿Por qué llores amor? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, okay. That sound right. You good. Dustin Law. Oh, yeah, nah, cause I got the filter on. Look. See? I got the filter. Okay. Y'all check it out. I think I got, yeah, I already went, you on my YouTube channel? Look Out Racing, man. Dang, I be going too fast. Tell her, you want another one? Get her your uncle from. Okay, we should be back. Is it back, Bert Gummer? Look out. Damn, do I need to restart it? Bert Gummy, is it back yet? Man, they can't be doing that. Man, they can't be doing this. gonna catch his ass. Stop it and come back, y'all. I think I know how to do it. Let me see something. Look out. Okay, we got ARS tone, accelerator racing solutions in the right lane. Got that cam talking real good. I don't know who that is. Oh, he got a GPI cam. I like them. I like them. This ought to be a good race. Yeah, this ought to be a good race.
The chat that said he had the 6th gen with that healthy sounding cam. Yeah. I think he's due park next to me.
Yeah,
too.
this ought to be a good race. Yeah. I like both of these companies. I like both of the companies. We got
who's the company over there?
GPI.
GPI. I don't know who that is. I'm ignorant.
It's a company out of Arkansas. He probably just bought the cam kit from him or something.
I know ARS too.
He might have went and got got one seat. He ain't playing. He done went and bought all that glue shit. Yeah, he for real. He for real, y'all. This how he gotta win. He done bought all that shit. This right lane gotta win. I'm going right lane just cause I see he bought a seat. From the looks of it, it looked like that Camaro would have beat